the fact that you recognized the need for me to say a word or two. Mr. Speaker, I don't have the benefit of having listened to your full communication on the matter at hand. But all the same.
It was a replication of what we discussed in House business.
All the same, the matter of bipartisan talks has of course gained public notoriety. I don't think there's anyone who can claim not to understand what's going around. Mr. Speaker, you will recall from the very outset when this matter came up here, I did commit on behalf of the Azimio coalition that we shall do whatever it takes to make these talks progress and succeed. I believe we have done so far. Mr. Speaker, you know, talks of this nature are delicate, and therefore they must be handled with lots of care. Mr. Speaker, I am aware that there have been bottlenecks on the path of these talks. But to cut the long story short, even as we speak, there is still some form of misunderstanding as to whether this committee requires a motion that is envisaged in your communication, or for it to acquire some life or legal capacity. There's a school of thought that holds the talks don't require that kind of motion. Of course, there's another school of thought which my friend, the Honorable Chungwa, ascribes to, which holds that these talks can only be given life through a motion passed in this House. So we need to bridge that gap. And therefore, I think your communication sets the ground, really, for this, for thrashing out